Saving a single file. If you're happy with your recording and you're ready to save it, go to this file area, scroll down to the Export command, and export your file as an MP3. Make note of the other files in this drop-down button. Here's where you click Save. It's now an MP3 file. Audacity sends a warning that our track is being mixed down as one stereo file. We then click OK. Notice in this drop-down button that you can add metadata and other information. But for the sake of this video, we'll skip this part and just click OK. Your project is now stored as an MP3 file, and that MP3 file is now stored inside your directory. Special note: when you start your next Audacity session, select your new file as mono versus stereo. You're working with a mono microphone. Recording in stereo will not make you sound better. Recording and saving stereo files takes up more space in your hard drive. It makes the file size twice the size than it needs to be. So, choose mono, not stereo.